Hi, it's Dr. David Green, founder and CEO of R3 Stem Cell, the global leader in regenerative therapies. I'm here today at our beautiful new South Africa location. The clinic is in the Melrose suburb of Johannesburg. We have multiple treatment rooms, we have a first-rate IV therapy area, and a special room for families who come in with kids who are going to get treatment or CP or things like that. Today, the topic, though, is how to avoid joint replacement surgery with stem cell therapy here in South Africa. Let's start by talking about joint replacement therapy in the knee. Years and years ago, we thought that knee replacement surgery was one of the top 5 increasing quality of life procedures. Now we know that 40% of patients who undergo a knee replacement are very unhappy after a year. They still have pain, they have decreased range of motion, and sometimes it can't be figured out what the reason is. They may have not had an infection. The knee replacement may look textbook on an x-ray, but they still have pain, but they can't undo the surgery. That doesn't work. The plastic and metal is unfortunately there to stay. So what is stem cell therapy for joint arthritis, and can it help a person successfully avoid joint replacement? The answer is absolutely it can. We've done many thousands of extremity injections into the knee, the hip, shoulder, elbow, wrist, ankle, really throughout the body with stem cells, and the results have been dramatic. We've been doing this for 14 years now, and when our providers do these procedures, we do them under image guidance. Now, a lot of providers here in South Africa or the continent, they don't use image guidance. They do them blind. They try and use landmarks, and then they'll inject based on those landmarks. They may miss the joint. That's not great because you're paying for the procedures and you expect them to be done accurately. Here we actually have a first-rate ultrasound machine and a sonographer who will show you the area of concern and the needle, when the procedure is being done, going right into that joint space, and you can see the burst of liquid when the stem cells go in. So there's no question that it's being done accurately, and that is what you should look for when you're looking for a regenerative therapy provider. Now, how do the stem cells work? Stem cells have been shown to work on both sides of the joint cartilage equation. They help to increase the cartilage formation in the joint, and they help to decrease the cartilage loss. So the net is a gain in the amount of cartilage that you have in your joint. Now, people say, well, I have bone-on-bone joint, there's no way you can help me. I can tell you from experience that bone-on-bone arthritis isn't truly bone-on-bone. There is still some cartilage left there, and we can improve that by 1-2 millimeters or more, and that's really all you need to get substantial pain relief for quite a long period of time with whatever joint that we're talking about. R3 has done over 27,000 stem cell procedures in the last decade in the 8 countries that we're in. About half of those have been done for joints and soft tissues, sports injuries, things that oftentimes end up needing surgery because traditional medications don't get the job done. Steroid medications, they don't help anything heal, right? Anti-inflammatories, once again, they don't help anything heal, okay? So what we do here is either PRP therapy, where we take some of your blood and spin it to concentrate the growth factors, and possibly we raise it to a major league level with stem cells, and that helps over 85% of patients get an amazing outcome. It usually starts to get a lot of pain relief within 2 to 4 weeks, and it continues to get better and better and better for months, and most patients get anywhere from 1 to 5 years of exceptional relief before they have to undergo the procedure again. So it's not a one and done forever kind of a cure, but it's a lot better than undergoing a potentially risky surgery that may not give you the outcome that you deserve and desire, and it's irreversible, right? Stem cell and PRP therapy is very, very low risk. The risks that we see are mild to moderate and temporary, such as dizziness, lightheadedness, maybe a little bit of increased pain in the joint for a couple days, possibly a low-grade fever for a couple days. These are things that resolve and are not serious. All right? Visit us online today at r3stemcell.com. Call us at the number on the screen. Happy to set you up with a free consultation to see if you or a loved one is a candidate. Thank you for watching.